Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering essentials: your Meyer account, payment method, and the eSIM QR or activation code. Open Settings, navigate to Cellular or Mobile Data, and choose Add Cellular Plan. This is the first actionable step. Scan the QR or enter the code manually when prompted. Once done, label the plan so you recognize it later and set a preferred data plan if offered. Make sure Wi-Fi is on while the eSIM provisions, because the device often needs internet. After scanning the QR, you'll see a provisioning screen. This can take several minutes, so be patient. The device downloads and installs the eSIM profile. Once installed, tap to enable the new line. Next, choose which line is used for cellular data, voice, and SMS. This matters when you have a physical SIM active. If Maya provides APN settings, enter them under Mobile Data options to ensure internet works. If the install stalls, restart the phone and check again. That often forces the profile to activate correctly. You finish by verifying service. Browse a web page, send a test message, and make a short call to confirm voice and data. If you don't see signal, toggle airplane mode, then check cellular settings to ensure the eSIM plan is enabled. Next, reset network settings if problems persist. This clears old profiles that can conflict. As a last resort, remove and reinstall the eSIM using the original QR or code. If it still fails, contact Maya support with your IMEI, activation code, and screenshots so they can troubleshoot quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.